Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to let you know how you can design your logo for Facebook page. First of all, without wasting any time, I am going to look for a Facebook page DP size so that it can help me the perfect size, and I will come up with no mistake. It is the exact dimension of 170 cross 170 pixels. So friends, it will take just 3 to 4 minutes to create a professional Facebook page logo. So what will you do? You will come up with this website. This is canva.com. What will you do? You will open this website and log in with your Gmail account, or you can create new account as well. So I will also put the link in the description, or you can also search as canva.com, canva.com. You can come up with this custom size as well, but I am going to look for first of all I will look for what is the Facebook page. Okay, not available. So friend, what will you do? You will come create a design, custom size 160 cross 160 pixels. Make sure that this is in pixels, not in inches, centimeter or millimeter, and I will click on create a new design. So friends, you can see a new page is open in front of me, and there are many templates here. You can come up with any of the designs. Some of the templates are paid, some are free, so you will make sure which of the template you are looking for. I will surely come up with some free template. I am going to first of all remove this picture. Okay, let's see some professional template here. So I will click on see all so that I can see all of the templates. And let's suppose I wanted to do with this type of design. It is the icon of some man, and I'm going to delete this one now. Okay, this one is not looking perfect to me. Let's suppose my page is about court or justice or liar, so I can come up with this type of logo. It is looking a professional picture. Or you can also come up with Google. You will search here the picture, which type of picture or icon you are looking for, and you can download from Google and you can upload here and come up with any of the design. What I'm going to do, I am going to put it to the side of the picture, sorry, and I'm going to add some things to this. First of all, I'm going to remove all of these things, and secondly, I will come up with some heading. First of all, what I will look for, I will enter my page name, so I can add BCT LAWYERS, LAWYERS shop. You can see it is looking perfect, and BCT live shop. You can also change your picture. So let's suppose I will come up with some liars DP. You can see here are many beautiful templates here. You can also come up with any of the template. These are all looking perfect. If you wanted to open some woman related, you can choose this photo or this photo as well. So I'm going to download this one into my desktop and work and save. Similarly, save images, desktop, work and save, and lastly save images and save. What will I do now? I will just click on uploads, upload media and work, and I will upload all of these files. I will delete this picture from my background, and I am going to come up with some professional type of picture. It is looking professional, man. So you can change its size as well, you can change its dimension as well. It is totally customized website. You can change font style, fonts color, fonts type, fonts, anything you want. It is just a professional website. You need nothing to do. It is a professional website, and it comes with thousands of templates. You can choose any of the template from here. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.